Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's our topic is rational numbers, grade 7 children. Grade 7 related rational number topic. Okay, standard is grade 7. Yeah, in that we have one case study question, children. Let us see what is that case study. Okay, yes. Ramcharan donated two-thirds of his monthly income to an NGO which works for the education of the girls. Okay, next. Spent one-fifth on purchasing food items for consumption of his family and 1/15th on meeting out other expenses. He is left with 9,000 rupees. Answer the following questions. Okay, yeah, first question is what is Ramcharan's salary? And second question is how much amount did he donate to NGO for education of girls? And third question, how much amount did he spend in meeting out other expenses? And last one, how much amount did he spend on purchasing food items for consumption of his family? Okay, yeah. So what they have given, first one, they have given completely in the question whatever his expenses, whatever he spent money, they have given, children. Okay, but they did not give how much his salary, monthly salary, how much he had, that they didn't give in this. Okay, but what we have to do here, we need to take first what his monthly salary as X. Okay, let us consider his monthly salary as X. Clear? Yeah, so let us consider monthly income or salary or income. How much ma? X. Just let us take it as X rupees. Okay? Yeah. Now, because they didn't give this information, but they have given everything, how much he is spending money. Okay, for donating, how much he spent for food items, how much he spent, and for other expenses, how much he spent. Those are all they have given in the question. Okay, but they didn't give exactly how much amount he is getting monthly. Okay, that's what I am taking here X. Okay, I am considering an unknown thing as a variable X. Clear? Yeah, now let us write what they have given. On first, on food items, how much he spent, we'll write. On food items, on food item, he spent, children, one-fifth of the income. We don't know income, right? So X I said. So means what is that? We can write it as one-fifth of X. Is it correct? Yes? Yeah, next. Next. How much on other expenses, how much he did? On other expenses, he spent 1/15th of salary. And how much he donated to NGO? Donated to NGO. How much he donated to NGO? Two-third of his salary. Okay? Yeah. This is the information they have given. Clear, children? With this information, now we need to find what is exactly his salary first. Got it what I am saying? Because we don't know the exact how much he is getting the salary. So we need to find out that X value. Clear? Yeah. And one more information also they have given. What is that? How much leftover after spending this on this? How much leftover with him? Leftover is 9,000 rupees leftover, children. Okay? Yeah. So how much salary is leftover? 9,000 salary. Clear? Yeah. So now we need to find out the X value. To find out the X value, children, total salary is equal to sum of these all these spending items, right? And including with leftover money, right? Yes or no? How to find out this total income, children? Total income is nothing but whatever he spent, all these three items sum in along with that leftover money. It is equal to his monthly salary, right? Yes? Yeah. So now I'll write that statement, children, now. Clear? Now, come on, right? So, we need to find out salary, right? Yeah, what did we consider as salary? X. Salary X is equal to, income or salary. Both are same, children. Okay? X is equal to, come on, first on food items, on other expenses, and how much he donated. Those are all we need to add it, right? Yes, come on. Total salary is equal to, first we will take the NGO, how much he spent, 2/3 of X, right? Plus 2/3 of X plus, and on food items he spent 1/5 of X plus, and next on other expenses, how much he spent, 1/15 of X, right? Right? And these are all how much on which items he is spending, that is we need to add first. Okay, and along with that we can also add what, the leftover money. How much money is left over? 9,000. Okay, how much money is left over? 9,000 rupees left over, right? Yes. So now, come on, this is a salary. To get complete salary, we need to first add all these items, and then we need to add the 9,000 also. Then you will get the complete total how much salary is getting monthly. So first we need to solve this one, which are inside the brackets, right? So to solve this one, once you see this, children, 2/3 of X. Can I write it as 2/3 of X means, half means what? Into X plus 1/5 of X into X. 1/15 of X means into X, right? Yes. Now see this, children. Here X is the, we don't know the value of X, right? And X is the common in these three terms. So can I write it as like this? Shall I take out that X as a common? Is it clear? See, because X into 2/3 of X. X into 1/5, 1/5 of X. X into 1/15, 1/15 of X. Clear? This also we can write it as like this. Okay, because why did I keep X outside? Here X is the common term and we don't know that. That's what we are keeping outside, and we are going to simplify these three fractions now. If it is inside Nani, we can't do simplification. That is the reason, and we can do, but it is easy for us to calculate like this. Okay, here nothing, I didn't keep symbol, means what is that? It is under multiplication only. Clear? Yeah. So now that 9,000 rupees also you need to carry like this only. Okay, you should carry that also. Come on, now come, how to solve this one, children? These are how it is. Three fractions are looking like unlike fractions, right? So how to solve the unlike fractions? We have to take the LCM of the denominators. For what purpose? To convert into like, right? So what is the LCM of 3, 5, 15, children? See, here I am doing 3, 5, 15. 3 table one time, 3 table, it won't come right as it is. 3 table 5 times, right? Yeah, next again 5 table 1 as it is we have to write, and this is 1 time. So how much it is, Nani? LCM. Now what we have to do? We need to multiply, right? So 3 into 5, how much? 15. Okay, clear? Till here everyone clear, children? Any doubts here? See, how did I write this X? I took the common, right? Yes, and the remaining fractions, whatever is left over, I kept inside the brackets. After that, what we are doing? We are going to add these three fractions. before going to add, we have to check whether they are like or unlike, right? So I checked they are unlike. That's what we have to do. We need to convert into like. Okay. Yeah. So how to convert into like? We have to find the LCM of 3, comma 5, comma 15. So here we did LCM. How much we got? 3 5s are 15. Okay? Yeah. So now next what we have to do? We need to change this fractions denominator as our LCM, right? Yeah. Now let us see how to change it. Yeah. Now we got the LCM is 15, right? Now we are going to change the each fraction with the as a LCM 5. So how many times 3 table 15 children? 5 times. So we have to multiply 5. So how much it is? 5 twos are 10 by 15. Fine. Like that all these fractions 1 by 5. How many times 5 table 15 children? 3 times, right? So you have to multiply with 3. 3 by 5. And next 1 by 15, already it has denominator as 15 only, like our LCM only. So that's what we no need to change it. If you multiply with 1 also, we'll get the number itself, right? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Now, so finally we got the 3 new fractions. See how it is? Are they looking like fractions or not? Here I forgot to write 1 children. I have written again. Okay. Yeah. Now, see, it is looking like fractions, right? So, shall we add now all these? How much denominators are similar means we have to write only one time. Now, so numerators, we need to add it. Finally, we got answer is how much? 14 by 15. What is this, Nani? 14 by 15? It is the sum of these three fractions, right? So, come on, we'll write instead of this, now we'll substitute this here. X is equal to, come on, the result of this one is 14 by 15 into outside X is there, right? X plus the 9,000 leftover money, right? Yes, now what we have to do? We need to find out the X value, right? So I told you by using transpose method, we can find out like this unknown values, right? So to find out the X value, see here X is there, again here in this expression here also we have one more X is there, means these two term, this term is completely one whole term children. 14 by 15 into X means 14 by 15 X, this is completely one term. Okay, so that's what this is X term and this is also X term, so similar terms we have to put together. Okay, that is the reason now I am going to transpose this 14 by 15 X to the left hand side. So it is under addition, right? Yes or no? So that's what I'm taking whole, I'm not taking only this number. Whenever I mean if you want to take only this number 14 by 15, then you have to check it is in under addition or multiplication, this symbol you have to check by that time. But I'm not taking only this numeral, I'm taking along with the variable, I'm taking this whole number, I'm taking out. Okay, so that's what you need to check overall the what is the symbol is there, means plus symbol. Okay, so it will turn into minus 14 by 15 X. Clear children? Yes. Is equal to what is left over here? 9,000 is left over. Now how to solve this? See here, this is a fraction number, this is a whole number. So how to solve it? This X by nothing is there means can I write it as by 1? So now can we find out this? See how to write implies. See here this is X by 1, this is 14 by 15 into X. So can we written as this one? Here if you will take the LCM 1 and 15. Okay, again these are fractions, no, we need to solve it. So to solve that fractions, we need to check. Here 1 and 15 is there, denominator. So what is the LCM of 1 and 15? 15 only. So LCM is what children? 15. So what we have to do? 15 means X value. See. Okay. We'll convert into this one. 15 is the LCM, right? LCM is 15. Then X by 1. To change the denominator as 15 means what we have to do? We need to multiply with 15, right? So then how much it will be? 15x by 15, right? Is it visible now? Yeah. Next, take this fraction also now. 14 by x already, it is already has 15 only, na? So no need to change it. So shall we subtract it now? Okay? Yeah, see. Taking this new fraction, instead of this we got new fraction, right? So take it 15x by 15 minus 14 by 15x. So now both are similar, na? So we can solve it, right? Yes or no? So how to solve it? The similar one we can write it as 15. Okay, you can write it as 15 and we can subtract it. 15x minus 14x, how much, children? 1x, right? 1x is nothing but, can I write just simply x? Okay, so x by 15, it is equal to how much, children? 9000 is there, right hand side. So okay, it's equal to 9000 is there. Okay, yeah. Now what we have to do next, we need to find out the value of x, right? So that is the reason we have to send that 15 also to the right hand side. Okay, now we'll transpose that to the right hand side. Who's that? X 15. Now see, children, now I'm going to transpose that x value, 15 value to the right hand side. So it is under division, right? Now I'm going to send it to right hand side. Then it will multiply, right? So then x is equal to how much, children? 9 15s are, when zeros are there, just you have to first multiply the numerals. 15 9s are 135, and just you have to write these three zeros right side of the number. So how much, Nani? 1,35,000 his salary. Got it? What is his salary? 1,35,000 is salary. So finally we got the salary, children. So what we have to do next? He is asking how much he spent exactly amount on NGO. How much he donated to the NGO. So they said already he donated. Okay, how much he donated, children? He donated, the amount is 2/3 of x. How much is donated? 2/3 of x. Okay, donated how much is amount? 2/3 of x. 2/3 of x means already you know the x value, right? Yes, we need to. Half means what? Into. What is the x value? 1,35,000. Okay, yeah. So now in 3 table, how many times will, if you solve this, children, if you simplify this, see, 3 table, how many times? 3 table 1 time. Here 3 table, see, first 4 times 12, 1 will come, 15 means 3 5s. These 3 zeros. 45,000 into 2, 90,000. Okay, right? Yeah, next, one more question. What did he ask? See, what is this 90,000? 90,000 rupees he donated to NGO. Got it? Before we don't know how much exactly he donated. They gave in a fractions terminology like 2/3 of x. Right? Yeah. That's the reason. Now we found exactly how much he donated. How did you get this exactly amount? By finding the exact amount of his salary. Right? Before we don't know x. That is the reason I am not able to find it. But now I got the salary, right? So with the help of that salary, now I found 2/3 is how much? 2/3 is how much, children? 2/3 is nothing but it is equal to 90,000 rupees. Okay. Now like that, one more question. What did they ask? How much is spent on food items also? Okay. Food items, on food items, he spent 1/5 of x. How much? 1/5 of x. Okay, 1/5 of x means how much again? 1/5 of means into x means how much? 1,35,000 salary, right? Yes. Now, come on, can I cancel here with 5 table? 5 table how many times? 5 table 1 time. Here 5 table 2 times first 10 means 3 will be left. 3 7 3 5 35 means 5 7. Okay, 5 7 the 35. Write these 3 zeros. So how much children? 27,000. What is this? 27,000 rupees is spending on food items. 90,000 is spending on, not spending, he is donated to NGO. Okay, yeah. Next, third question. What did he ask? And he also spent on other expenses also, right? Yeah, on other expenses. How much? 1/15 of x. How to find out 1/15 of x? See, same like that only. Again take 1/15 of x. Half means into 1,35,000. Now you can cancel it. Yeah. How to cancel it in 15 table? How many times? Just now we got LCM also, right? 15 nines are 15 ones and 15 nines. And these 3 zeros, right? How much it is? It is equal to 9,000 rupees. Got it, children? Yeah. So what is this 9,000? 9,000 he spent on other expenses, and the 27,000 he spent on food items. This is on food items, right? Yeah. Wait, I'll write once again. How much it is? 27,000. Yes. This is on food items. This is on other expenses. And this is on 90,000 is on NGO. Clear? Once check the cancellation part and all, children. Yeah. So like this we need to first find out the x value. X is nothing but total salary. Okay. With the help of total salary, how much he is spending exactly on food items and other expenses and on donation. We can find out like this, children. Got it now? I hope you all understand, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.